warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ibrahim Rashid bin Muhammad Dawud Iskandar. I am from Farabiatul Adawiyah. Today I would like to tell all of you about my siblings. I am 4 siblings, which is have 2 elder brother and elder sister. I am the youngest in my family. We all grow up and spend the most of our life with each other. I think I've always known that it was a little different for my brother and my sister, but it's okay because we are all different in many ways. My brother named Rafiq Rashid and Rafiq Rashid, they are 17 and 15 years old. My sister name is Raisa Musaki, she is 13 years old. All of them, they are now studying at Sekolah Menengah Datuk Lana Putra Mahmud in Seremban. They stay in hostel and come back home almost every week, even though I am the only left at home almost like now, but no, I never feel lonely at home. I enjoy being alone, but sometimes I do miss them so much. But both of my brother are really into sport and cars. We always play football together. My brother, we love to play football, especially when our cousin come to join us. We do having time to spend together. My sister is the only one in my sibling. We never left her behind. We always spend a lot of time together. Yes, many common interests and hobbies as well. Like laughter, we enjoy Japanese food so much. We like play games together when into watch anime or TV shows. And many more like other siblings at times is get actually feeling living with them. We fight and play all the time too. But deep in my heart, I really feel blessed for having them in my life. That's all for me. Thank you.